what's my thing? Alright, wait, huh? Why am I glitching? Alright. We are reorganizing my closet and my studio room because my closet broke. Okay, so my dad had to fix it. It was looking rough for a while there and he finally fixed it. Thanks, Dad. But I need to repack everything away and just redo my closet. So I have everything pretty much spread out in my studio room that you cannot see, but I can see it. So I'm gonna show you guys and we're gonna redo it and pack everything away so it doesn't look a mess. I'll show you guys the closet now that it's fixed. You'll probably still be able to see the stuff, whatever. My life's a mess, okay? All right, so actually you cannot see it. Okay, you can see the small holes because I didn't fill them because I was lazy. And we're gonna put the clothes on here. So my room's looking a mess. So I'll show you the rest of it. So this is my studio room right now at the moment. I know it doesn't look that messy, but I have clothes in my parents' room. And yeah, so we're gonna redo that. So we have this. This is mine. Also, all of this and all of that is my clothes, and on the ground there's mine, and on the shelf. So all of this needs to be moved. Okay, so I'm gonna move all my shoe boxes back into my closet. So
there is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds.
Hi, we're at IKEA because I have to pick up a drawer for my room. So I thought I'd bring you guys along, you know, for a little bit. I'm picking it up like right now to say what my order number is and all that. Sick beans. Okay, guys. I look like a soccer mom or a baseball mom right now. Picking up the kids in my SUV.
In that movie, but I will.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Sorry?
I said I dropped my camera.
That's why I asked. How did she know? Is that yours?
Call me after. Hold on. No more missing pieces. Now I have to move my other stuff over there where you guys are sitting on and switch it. So let's do that. Okay, this is what it's looking like. We have to put this stuff back on, but she looks good. Okay, I have to move this because this like drawer is going here now. I don't really know where I'm gonna put this, but whatever. leave that there. I might move it to my bedroom eventually, but for right now, it's staying there. I'm gonna transfer some of my clothes in my closet to this drawer. That was like the main reason why I got this, just because my actual closet, like not in here, and my bedroom is like really full. So I want to switch like my jeans probably in here, and maybe probably my workout clothes as well. So I probably should have gotten containers too. Maybe I'll just order stuff online for drawers, but yeah. Okay, so in my old dresser here, I have like t-shirts and tops in the bottom 2 drawers. So I'm gonna take these out and then put them in that drawer. Also, this is part of the reason why, because I just had a lot that I just couldn't fit in my closet or my other room. So I'm gonna put, these are like mostly my tank tops too, and my shorts. So now we're gonna go into my other room and just start bringing stuff into here and taking out from there. Okay, we're in this closet here. I think I'm gonna take all of my t-shirts out of here and put it in there, and maybe my jeans as well. I think definitely my tops. So like, okay, hold on. So in these 2 shelves are just like my t-shirts, and there's a couple up there. So I think I'm gonna move all my t-shirts into that room, and then I think also my workout stuff. I'm probably also gonna have to refold everything. And then I also have like my shorts in here that I might move. I'm gonna take that for now and like put it in the drawers, because I don't want to like take everything and then I'm not gonna have room. So let's take this, fold it in there, and put it in, and then yeah.
Feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite.
Okay, so I know I'm gonna have to refold all this and like the clothes on the bottom. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna refold it and do that, and then we'll put it in the drawers after. So
I look for the things I don't know. For all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't.
I'm not even halfway through folding the clothes.
Why, there's something you need to know about Jared.
But I'm currently watching Vampire Diaries while I'm doing this, so.
I should be the last to know. Hello to Mona, I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know.
Okay, all the t-shirts are folded, so I'm gonna put them in the drawer.
I push back the serious feeling, the end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Alright, y'all, I kind of look a mess, but I finished cleaning my studio room and organizing everything. I went through all my drawers and everything. So I thought I could show you guys the finished look so far. I still have to put up paintings and stuff to like actually finish it, but I'm done organizing. All right, so this is what you see when you walk in. I just put this dresser here for now. I don't really know if it's gonna stay there because I don't really like it, but whatever. And then we have this, yeah. And then this is obviously the new dresser, which it looks good. I'll show you guys what's inside. We got like my tops in here. We have my workout clothes in here. I have t-shirts in here. And these are like skirts that I just kind of put in there. All my other stuff is underneath. I just didn't feel like folding that. And then in the bottom one, we have shorts. I think these are all shorts and then a skirt. So this is like scary. It's like a spooky like story. I'm gonna go clean my other room and yeah, bye.